I wash the dishes after every meal.
I wash the dishes after every meal.
I dry the dishes with a clean towel.
I dry the dishes with a clean towel.
I wipe the counters to keep them clean.
I wipe the counters to keep them clean.
I clean the stovetop after cooking dinner.
I clean the stovetop after cooking dinner.
I clear the table once we finish eating.
I clear the table once we finish eating.
I do the laundry every weekend.
I do the laundry every weekend.
I hang the clothes outside to dry.
I hang the clothes outside to dry.
I iron my shirts for work.
I iron my shirts for work.
I put away the clothes in the closet.
I put away the clothes in the closet.
I sweep the floor in the kitchen.
I sweep the floor in the kitchen.
I mop the floor once a week.
I mop the floor once a week.
I vacuum the carpet in the living room.
I vacuum the carpet in the living room.
I scrub the tiles in the shower.
I scrub the tiles in the shower.
I make my bed every morning. It helps me start the day right.
I make my bed every morning.
I dust the furniture on Saturdays.
I dust the furniture on Saturdays.
I tidy up the room when it gets messy.
I tidy up the room when it gets messy.
I take out the trash every night.
I take out the trash every night.
I water the plants in the garden.
I water the plants in the garden.
I walk the dog in the park.
I walk the dog in the park.
I feed the cat twice a day.
I feed the cat twice a day.
I mow the lawn every 2 weeks.
I mow the lawn every 2 weeks.
I rake the leaves in the front yard during the fall.
I rake the leaves in the front yard.
I wash the car on sunny weekends.
I wash the car on sunny weekends. I wash the car on sunny weekends.
I shovel snow after a heavy snowstorm.
I shovel snow after a heavy snowstorm.
Thank you for watching.